What's going on, guys? This is just going to be a quick video on force escalation. Reason being that with everything going on, I think that it's important. Oh, you can hear a helicopter overhead. I think it's important that we sort of talk about this, because not a lot of people realize what their rights are and what they are allowed to use when they are defending themselves. So, as such, let's start with what the 5 levels are. Now, on most models, law enforcement will say that it is officer presence, but we don't have that. And then there is verbal commands, which for a civilian would be get off me, go away, leave me alone, those sort of things. Leaving a situation is, of course, part of that too. So if you're in a situation, get out of there, first and foremost. Then we go into soft techniques. These are our wrist locks, these are our takedowns, well, not takedowns per se, like the hard throws and things like that, more of the submissions, more of the things meant to incapacitate but not hurt. Just to give yourself a little bit of leeway to get out. Then we go into our hard techniques, our strikes, our fighting, our everything like that, your 5 ranges, which we'll get into in another video, and we'll go from there. And then finally, deadly force. Now, deadly force is almost never acceptable by law unless you're in 2 categories, either A, an asymmetrical situation, or B, life and death. They are going to hurt you, they are going to kill you, something like that. It's not an easy conversation to talk about. I know more than a few people who have been in situations like that. They aren't fun. That being said, these are things that people need to know about, because you need to know what your rights are when you are protecting yourself. You need to know what is permissible by law, so going over your local legislation and going over any sort of documents that would say what you are allowed to do in a physical education by your region, by your state, city, whatever, is probably the best place to start. And then apply this to that, not the other way around. So be safe, guys. Please, be careful out there. Take care of your family, take care of your loved ones, and protect each other.